First, I will open a while loop in here, and inside of it, I will open case structure, that, and in here, numeric control, another numeric control, and numeric indicator. And we will see them in here. I will take them to inside. This one will be our result, and I will change its name as a result. And also I need this. This one will be our operator. Again, I will change its name. And I will add my operations. Nice. Add case for every value. For adding, I need add number 1, number 2, and result. Subtraction. Multiplying. And divide. I want to show you another things. For example, dot product. And I will insert here. Again, add case for every value. And dot product. And you can find everything about mathematics. For example, linear algebra and dot product. This is easy way. Create control here, another control, and for results, create indicator here, and for this side, create again indicator to here. Yes. And we will see some error. Use default if unwired. Another errors. Yes. Now Let's check. We will see the result here. If you want to see the result another way, for example, gauge, we will see the gauge in here, and I will take it to here. For add, I will connect it to the result. Also subtraction, multiplying, and dividing. I can't connect here because it will give error, because I can't connect both of them. Let's check. For example, adding 7. As you see, we can't see over 10, but we can arrange it. Right click and fit control to pane. As you see, for example, 100. Yes. Let's check. Multiplying. 80. This is end of my project. I add these operations. Let's check them. For example, sin 90 or sin 0. For example, cross product like this, or dot product like this, or exponential. For example, this one.